Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Inlight Labs event calendar to your Wix website. It's easy and absolutely beautiful. Step 1. Add the app. Start by going to your Wix editor. In the left-hand menu, click on Add Apps. The app market will open. In the search bar, type Events Calendar. Click on the Inlight Labs event calendar and hit Add to Site. Agree to the terms, and now you've got a live demo calendar on your page. Step 2. Position and resize. Drag the corners to resize it. Step 3. Click on the calendar to open the Settings side panel. Under View, you can easily choose how the calendar displays. 1 week view, agenda list, or the super stylish cards layout. Pick what fits your vibe. Under Design, you can select from beautiful color presets or fully customize the colors to match your site's branding. Click the settings to change the language, the time zone, and more. Super helpful for global users. You can also connect external calendars, like your Google Calendar. Just a few clicks, and you're synced. Step 4. Add an event. Click Home in the Calendar menu and click on Add an Event button. Add a title for your event and a short description. You can use the AI Assist in the description box to quickly refine your text, making it short and precise or long and descriptive. Type down the location of the event. Pick a color for your event. Choose a date and time, and if it's a recurring event, just set it to daily or weekly. You can change how often it's recurring. Want to make it pop? Upload a photo from your computer or use the built-in AI image generator. In the upgraded version, you can even add an RSVP button. Step 5. Save and preview. Click Save and voila! Remember to publish your changes so they appear on your live site.